please?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Yes, please go
Yeah,
ahead.
when there is two multiple teams, they are involved in one testing, so that's
Yeah.
happen each month.
Right. Yes, that's a good thing. So yeah, so that's the same concept. We do the end-to-end testing. So let's talk about that. I'm gonna explain the concept. You will make your own answer. Okay, I will make you understand how we work as an end-to-end team for end-to-end testing. Then we're gonna make our own answer. There is no answer. Answer is always from you. How you explain the the interviewer actually. So let's talk about here. So in testing. So let's, for example, we are in a company. Okay. So we are in a the QA side actually. So the quality department. In the quality department, there's a bunch of team working. Individual team. We don't say team. What we say, individual scrum team, right, guys? Individual scrum team. Okay. So, for example, there is a one team. Maybe one scrum team is, let's see, scrum team one. So, scrum team one, maybe they are working on, you know, database testing. Database testing. Okay. So there is a more scrum team, right? Maybe another scrum team we have performance. They do the performance testing. So we have more scrum team here. Another scrum team we do their functional testing. Functional. But fine. There is a more strong scrum team here. And okay, so this is the two teams actually mostly we have. So in the team actually. So for example, this is the performance that we write down here actually. Database functional system team. System. So try to understand, guys. We are in here actually. We are doing a functional testing. We are in here in functional testing. Under the functional testing, there is a couple of testing we do, right? Under the functional testing, we do a couple of things here. What is the couple of things? Sometimes we do API testing. API testing also a consideration as a functional we do, okay? Sometimes we do database test. But there is a team for database anyway. Okay, there is a team for database anyway. So this is a database. Okay. Now try to understand, guys. So for example, we are trying to test the whole application. End-to-end testing happen not every day, not every month. Not every day, every month. It's quarterly happen. Every 3 months. We do end-to-end testing, okay? We do end-to-end testing every 3 months. So so let's see we work for Bank of America. Bank of America application. Okay? So there's a Bank of America application. So now try to understand, guys. So system people is doing their system testing, performance people doing their performance testing, functional people doing their functional testing all the time. They are doing individually all the time. They are doing individually all the time. Okay? Now there is a time come that okay, let's do it end-to-end testing. That means everyone, all the team will do all the testing in the same time. So if they do in the same time work together, system will work with the performance work with functional. Also same way. Opposite way also. So what happened here? We are actually working together as a one team to make sure system-wise application is running as expected, performance-wise application running as expected, database-wise application running as expected, all the functionality is working as expected, all the API is running, all the all expected running. So when we do all the testing together in the same time, in the same project, this is called end-to-end. Is it understandable, guys? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's the concept, guys. So please make your own answer to explain the interviewer. Mr. Iron, is it understandable?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Question coming from you, so you should be understand first. Okay. All right. So this
Thank
process is end-to-end. So end-to-end process all not happen every day. As I say, everyone is doing their own testing. You're gonna do your own testing. Performers do their own testing all the time. Testing is going on 24/7, 365, 365. But in a quarterly, they need all the whole application needs to be tested at a time. So everyone is talking each other, systematic wise, performance wise, database wise, functional wise, or anything, any API related with that application. So that's called end-to-end testing. We're good, guys. So we can go for the next question. Are we good?
Alright, then I have